what's up? Eli back in the game, and today we're at the beach. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And with my mom, if you can see up there, then I'm with my brother up there. They were partying last night because it was my brother's Wyatt's birthday, and so go subscribe to him. He has pretty sick videos. Dum Dum dropped the skis. Yep. So we're trying to do it right now. And it's feeling pretty like bad and nice vlog at the same time. Dude, look at the beach. You're a beach! You're a beach. Gotta see if it's cold or not. It's cold! Jason! Alright, this is gonna end the vlog. It's not really the coolest vlog in the world, but it's something. Alright, peace. Like and subscribe.